Hello there, happy Easter. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another weekly outlook, which is going to be very short, very precise, incredibly to the point because we're celebrating Easter this weekend. I'm not too keen on spending much time on this, neither should be you. I very much hope you're dedicating this time for your family, spending time with loved ones, and just dedicating the time where it has to go instead of just spending your day watching the charts. Yet, have to come prepared into the week, so we're giving this outlook on NASDAQ just like we do every single week, starting with the economic news calendar. Taking a look at the economic news calendars, we have to consider a few things. Friday was a bank holiday in the US, Good Friday. Markets were off. Markets were not trading. So Monday, even though we have a Monday without news, we're not considering Monday to be a tradable day neither, because we're just coming back off a bank holiday. New week opening gap, the opening range might be insanely big for Monday trading, so we're gonna try to avoid Monday price action whatsoever. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the whole rest of the week looks quite alright. I'm very excited for the news releases. Usually when we have flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI releasing at 4:45, which is 9:45 New York time, right prior to the AM session at 10 o'clock starting. It's a very good thing to watch. 3:30 claims here. I'm gonna be looking for maybe the marketplace to leave a wick during the news release on Thursday. So quite a good week. Everything is green. We're looking for a good price action this upcoming week, and I'm gonna explain to you why in the next minute. Looking at the price action itself, we have to note very big, noticeable, important thing in the marketplace. Last, 5 trading days, everything above what I'm noting here in this box has been very small ranges, very indecisive ranges, very little candles in terms of price delivery, which gives us a opportunity to engage with the marketplace, which is going to be expanding next week. When we see small ranges like this, I'm always expecting the marketplace to start embracing the power of liquidity, embracing the opportunity to go lower or higher very rapidly. So what am I watching in terms of key levels this upcoming week? We have a volume imbalance right here, 19,758, 19,020 sharp. Everything below it is still gonna be unfortunately bearish, but if we master to get above there, my expectation is all-time highs resting at 22,762. My draw on liquidity initially for the upcoming week is this buy side resting above 90,387.75, and then if we are able to do that and we start bouncing away, I might be looking for a short opportunity from 19,020 and lower. Right? Very important thing that we're gonna be watching this upcoming week is the 4-hour chart. We are stuck in a market. This breaker block is coming from an hourly chart. Take a look at your hourly chart to find this. But we're coming off a market which is bouncing away from a weekly order block right here and is bouncing away lower from the old breaker block, right? So the marketplace is literally in a range bound condition. Sell side is resting down below. So what I'm gonna say is that up until the point that the marketplace consolidates in this range, not really interested. I'm gonna be looking at asset classes such as euro, pound, maybe metals that I'm gonna be trading, but up until the point sell side here is not being taken away from the marketplace, I have no real interest in terms of engagement with the price. Okay, so keep that in mind. Keep the key levels here on your chart. Sell side minimal, of course, here on the daily chart is resting down below. Longer term expectation is for the marketplace to actually find a bottom here. I'm expecting for that to remain, to be fair with you guys. If sell side gets taken, it's fine, but my expectation right now is to take this buy side liquidity pool away from us and possibly not even retrace back into the range, but just continue higher. Okay, if we get that, it's brilliant. If not, just understand that the previous week gave us 5 very little candles, considering the average candles that we had the most recent weeks. That is gonna bring us into a place where big large openings, big large candles are gonna start printing right in front of us. This is gonna be it from us today. I very much hope you enjoy what we do. So if you did, please leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we break down price, especially this upcoming Monday is going to be so important because of the new week opening gap. We're gonna break it down on Monday in our Discord community. So if you're not there, you're missing out. How to get to the Discord community itself, it's in the description of the video down below. So very thankful for you guys passing by. Hope you enjoyed the analysis. Happy Easter once more, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.